Welcome back to the CarWow 787 channel, your destination for the latest car launches, detailed reviews, futuristic concepts, and everything happening in the automobile world. If you love discovering what's new on wheels, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the growing family. Now let's jump straight into the all-new Mazda-5 2026, a model that many thought would never return but has made a huge comeback with a modern identity, upgraded performance, and a completely new purpose in the market. The Mazda-5 has always been known as a practical family mover, but the 2026 version has transformed into a stylish, athletic, and far more premium machine. The moment you see it, the first thing you notice is Mazda's next-generation Kodo design language. The sharp lines have evolved into smoother, more fluid curves. The front grille is wider, more sculpted, and sits in a blacked-out frame that blends beautifully with the adaptive LED headlights. The daytime running lights create a signature Mazda look that instantly makes the car stand out, even from a distance. Mazda has clearly pushed the design to match the modern crossover trend while keeping the DNA that fans adore. The overall silhouette has also changed dramatically. The 2026 Mazda-5 is lower, wider, and more confident on the road. The long roofline and extended windows maintain the practicality of a family-oriented vehicle, but the flared wheel arches and athletic stance give it a sporty identity. Mazda now offers wheel options ranging from 18 to 20 inches, all designed to complement the more premium shape. Even the rear design has been completely transformed. The taillights follow Mazda's circular LED theme with a futuristic glow, connected by a subtle black bar that runs across the tailgate. A new spoiler and redesigned bumper complete the look, giving the car a bold and modern personality. Let's talk interior. But the real magic happens when you step inside the Mazda-5 2026. Mazda has redesigned the cabin with a strong focus on comfort, technology, and practicality. The cabin feels brighter, more spacious, and more premium. Soft-touch materials cover the dashboard, the door panels, and even the center console. Mazda has used a mix of leather, textured metal, and wood accents to create an upscale environment. The seats are redesigned with better cushioning, support, and ventilation options, ensuring long drive comfort for every passenger. The new Mazda-5 still maintains its flexible seating layout, which is one of the biggest reasons for its popularity. The 7-seat arrangement is back with improved legroom and easier access to the third row. Mazda also redesigned the sliding doors to open wider and operate more smoothly, making it easier for families to get in and out. The cargo space has been improved as well, with additional storage compartments, fold-flat seat mechanisms, and a more usable trunk even with all seats up. Mazda clearly wants this model to be the ultimate family crossover MPV hybrid. Technology takes a huge leap forward in the 2026 model. A new 13-inch infotainment screen sits at the center, featuring Mazda's updated interface, smoother animations, and wireless smartphone connectivity. The digital driver's display is larger and customizable, showing everything from navigation to performance data. Mazda has also added a top-view 360-degree camera that uses high-resolution sensors, making parking and tight maneuvers much easier. On the safety side, the 2026 Mazda-5 comes with Mazda's latest iActive Essence suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation, driver attention alert, and cross-traffic warning systems. The sensors and radars have been upgraded to work more precisely in crowded city environments, which is a big plus for families. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Mazda offers the new Mazda-5 with multiple powertrains depending on the region. The first option is the Skyactiv G 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, which has been refined for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. The next option is the more exciting Skyactiv G 2.5 turbo engine, producing significantly more horsepower and torque to give the Mazda-5 a more dynamic driving experience. Mazda has also introduced a hybrid variant for the first time in this model, combining a 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor to deliver improved fuel economy and lower emissions. All versions come with an improved 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and intelligently, adapting to driving conditions in real time. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus is also standard, improving cornering stability and body control. The suspension has been tuned for a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Whether it's city driving, highway cruising, or long-distance family trips, the Mazda-5 is designed to feel stable, controlled, and incredibly smooth. One of the biggest changes Mazda made is the driving refinement. Even though the Mazda-5 is a larger vehicle, it still carries the brand's sporty personality. The steering feels precise, the body roll is well controlled, and the car responds quickly to driver input. Mazda has always been about fun to drive, and even in a family-focused MPV crossover hybrid, they've managed to keep that soul alive. Fuel efficiency has also improved significantly, especially in the hybrid variant. Mazda claims impressive mileage thanks to improved aerodynamics, lightweight engineering, and optimized power delivery. For families who travel a lot, this is a major advantage. In terms of pricing, Mazda has positioned the 2026 Mazda-5 competitively. It aims to attract buyers who want SUV practicality, MPV flexibility, and sedan-level driving comfort all in one package. The trim levels include the standard model, premium version, and the top-tier signature edition that adds luxury features such as Nappa leather, panoramic sunroof, advanced ambient lighting, larger wheels, and a premium Bose audio system. Mazda's strategy with the 2026 Mazda-5 is clear: they want to redefine the family car segment. It's no longer just about transporting people, it's about doing it with style, comfort, safety, and emotion. The new model blends practicality with modern design and advanced technology in a way that will definitely turn heads. This car has evolved from a simple family mover into a stylish, capable, and desirable vehicle. If you're looking for a car that can carry your family, handle long trips easily, provide space for every occasion, and still offer the driving feel that Mazda is known for, the Mazda-5 2026 might be the perfect match. It is smart, efficient, flexible, and more premium than ever before. Mazda has truly created a modern family machine that balances everything perfectly. Thank you for watching and spending time here on the CarWow 787 channel. If you enjoyed this full detailed breakdown of the Mazda-5 2026, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment which car you want to see next on this channel. Your support helps us bring even more exciting new car reviews and breakdowns every day. Stay tuned, stay excited, and I'll see you in the next video.